Oh, look at these cuties over here chilling. They look nice, yeah? Very beautiful. It looks like they had enough food. Just very beautiful scene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with antlers. See, must be all boys. Kind of like bucks because they all have antlers. Why are they all chilling like that? Where the girls at, guys? Where the girls at? Hmm? Or y'all tied? Checking out the center. Yeah? You like it? They are, yeah? They look like fuzzy antlers, yeah? Ow! I can't even throw a freaking car like that. So nice. It's not gonna help. I threw one. They don't want anything. They're full. These guys full, but very cute. Is any cars behind me? Found these just chilling in my backyard today.
What?
Very cool, very cool. Thank you for watching my channel. We appreciate it. See, we're in our car at Safari, Animal Safari. Take care. Take care. 2019. Peace.